So let's take a quick overview, weekly overview. All right. So I'm looking at the dollar and broke out retest. Cool. It retested over here. We're looking at it from a day as a day trader on a 4 hour. Broke out retest. Cool. Now it looks like the dollar came back to counter trend. All right. The bearish move that it was doing. All right. So we had some news happen on Wednesday last week, which is the FOMC. All right. So I still believe that the dollar is bearish at this moment, especially with everything that is going on in the United States. But so I still believe that it's bearish. So next week, I'm believing for the dollar to be bearish. Okay. Dollar to continue to be what? Bearish. What was that song called? Bare necessity, right? So I continue to see the dollar bearish. It can push up a little bit before it starts coming down. So maybe Sunday when it opens, right? When the market opens Sunday at 5, what's that? 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern, which is 10 p.m. East GMT. Okay, so when the market opens, right, we're gonna see might see a push up to come back down, but I'm looking for a bearish move next week for the US dollar. So that means that I'm still looking to sell USD JPY. Now, we're currently, for those of you that are still in, I'm still holding, right? So I'm holding it. I'm holding it till maybe it did reach the 200 pip amount that I wanted it to reach. But when it reached there, I'm going to tell everybody to close, right? So currently right now, it did a little pushback, right? But it did reach that 200 pip. But I didn't tell anybody to close, all right? So I want to wait for it to reach that 200 pip move. All right. So as it reaches there, right, I'm looking to actually sell. Okay. I'm looking to sell at the break and retest of the previous, which is 750. Right. So I'm looking to sell actually once it reached to 750, which is around here. Right. So once we reach that TP, we're getting out. Or that we're getting out. Right. For 200 pip move. Does not sound great. Yes, sir. All right. And then we'll wait and see what's going to happen over here. Okay. So I'm looking to sell, looking for that bearish move for it to continue going down. For those of us that's already in a trade, right, continue to hold it. But if you're not, you just wait. Okay. So that's the move I'm looking for next week. Then for USD CAD, I'm not really looking for anything for USD CAD. Not right now, but I potentially be looking for this move. Okay, that's from last week. It didn't happen. Right, for it to come all the way down. Okay, so for it to come all the way down, and then we see it. So this move we're looking for, like that. All right, look for the sell at 136,500. Right, because the dollar is bearish. The dollar is weak. Now the dollar's weak. We're looking for the buys. All right. So currently, right now, I put this here earlier, but the market hit exactly what I thought was going to happen. We see the close above. So when it opens, we're going to see, right? So this is the move I'm looking for the buy. The buy at 1.07500. Okay. So this is the move I'm looking for. So we got, so, oops. All right. So let's do this and make that TP2 real quick. And let me see how that looks like. All right. So we could, take it up all the way up another one. So that's like another 100 and almost 200 pips. All right. So TP1 will be 50, TP2 will be 100, and TP3 is open. All right. So this as well, GU, right? How GU did exactly what I was expecting it to do, but we'll see. We'll see what happens with GU, right? So also looking for the buy on GU, also looking for the buy, but we might see a little bit push down because of what the dollar is doing, where the dollar might push a little bit higher with the so we'll see. Okay, when the market opens. Then we have GU, we have AU. AU to USD. Okay, so I'm looking for it to push up again. Last week we caught a little bit of it, maybe 30, 40 pips, right? So I'm looking for it to pull it back up, right? So this is the move I'm looking for. Obviously, this is doing the news. All right, so this is the move that I'm looking for with AU. We're looking for it to push up. Right, so let me show you. Because some of you guys are like, Ralph, what are you talking about? I don't get it. I don't get it. Don't worry. That's my niece. My niece sound like that. Like, I don't get it, Uncle Ralph. I don't get it. All right, so bam. Right, so looking for a push up like so. Right, look for that retest. And then look for a buy here. Right, at 67,250. Wait, it says 250. Why is it 250? Yeah, okay, yeah. Yes, it's 7,250. Yeah, that's right. That's right. All right, for AUDUSD, all right, it's in a buy zone. We have a bearish trend going now. I mean, a bullish trend going now. Right, so we have this push on the higher lows. Right, we got higher lows and higher highs. Right, so we have higher lows and also higher highs. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Wow. Right, so this is how you tell the trend. Got higher lows and higher highs. Now, can this be a flag pattern? We'll see. We shall see. Right, we shall see. So right now, that's what I'm looking for. I don't see no buys. I don't want to buy down here. I want to wait till it breaks up here because I don't know what's going to happen. So I'm going to wait till it break over here. Okay. Then the last one, we have NZD USD, right? So we have higher highs and higher lows, right? So that's the same thing. We have higher highs and higher lows. So let me actually, right? So higher highs, higher lows, make it like that. Okay. So higher highs and then higher lows. Okay. So for this one, it's very technical. I don't see any buys. I don't see any supports here. So this one I'm gonna wait till it passes it passes this. I'm not gonna rush it. I'm not gonna try to get into a trade that I don't need to get into. And so I'm gonna wait till it reaches it past that, and then I'll get into the possible buys. Okay, so I'm looking for it to go up, retest, and then break down. Right, so basically like this: go up, retest, and then take that. Right. So right now there's no, even though I see a higher low here, I see a higher low here, right? But there's no, the next higher high is right here. Next high is right here. High is right here. Right. So I'm waiting till it pushes up there. Right. So no rushing, nothing, no rushing whatsoever. So this is what I'm looking at for the week. Australian dollar. Let's look at Australian dollar. Right. Australian dollar. The British pound. Okay, getting stronger. Canadian dollar is playing around. The euro is getting stronger. Japanese yen is getting stronger. Swiss, not Twits, Swiss, and then New Zealand dollar. Very choppy, but it's getting stronger, right? So all these moves are the beginning of it trend reversion, right? Based on what the dollar does. All right. God bless you, family. I'll see you guys in a week. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and reach out to me on Telegram, on Instagram, on MySpace, on Black Planet, on High Five, wherever. Mr. Duncan signing up. Peace.